Hello and welcome back to Wisdom Blog. In this series of Terraform training sessions, we'll be looking at provisioning EC2 instance with the Tomcat, which already done in our previous video, but every time I'm just forgetting to show that command, like a Terraform plan, how it works. So I thought of doing a short training session for this, so it won't take much time. Just we'll uh, quickly look at it. So we already discussed how we are going to do and what are the variables we are declaring, what are the provision providers we are going to use, all stuff in our previous video. Just we can refer it. So let's go to a lab and just try that one. So we already used the same files in our previous video. So you can see here they are all the variables, main file which have this content. When we created it for last previous video, this is the provider, this is the PEM file which we'll be using, and these are the variables we have declared. So I don't want to go into in depth and don't want to waste your time. Just go to PowerShell on the directory lab4. So, as usual, Terraform init. So it will initiate the file, initiate, and like it will initiate the provider plugins and all stuff, and it will, using whatever the provider we have used, it will connect, and it's successful. Now Terraform validate, which we follow every time. So we'll do that this time also. It is successful. Now let's try the Terraform plan command. Terraform plan, and we need to give the output file name, which is equal to open braces, open quotes, double quotes, dot test dot plan. So running this, we should create a test dot plan in our lab4 directory. Let's see how it goes. It will ask for access key and secret key, which we'll capture it from our lab1 file. Access key and secret key. Okay, so plan is executed, and it should be available on lab4 directory. Okay, you can see it here. So if you try to open it, you won't see anything which is understandable. Let me show you. Yeah, it's like this. So let's close this one. Don't want to miss anything. Now to apply this, you need to run this command. So let's do it. Terraform apply /test dot plan. Okay, our plan is now getting executed. You can see here it's trying to create the security group with the name TFSG11, and now it will try to create the instance. Let's go back here and see how it is going. So refresh. Okay, the security group is created, which we done it in our previous video, same thing, but I just want to run the plan command, and how we are going to apply the command plan. That's what we are going to do. So whenever we want to do it in production, we can execute it, and we can apply the plan, so that you'll come to know any errors or anything. You can do it anytime. So let's see if instance is getting created. Okay, new instance is getting created, and as usual, like we already done it before, just before this previous lab. So it will connect our host using the public IP with the name Ubuntu, and once the instance is ready, it will be able to SSH to the instance, and then it will try to update like a sudo apt-get update, and once that is completed, then it will be installing Tomcat 9, and then we'll get a public IP. Using that public IP, we can browse our Tomcat web server. So let's wait, still it is completed. When it is connected, you will be able to see it's connected. So now it is like instance is created successfully, and now it is connected, and now it is executing the commands. You can see that sudo apt-get is already executed, and you are able to see that the package is getting installed, downloaded and getting installed now. So once this is done, Tomcat will be installed. Now it is installing Tomcat. Pretty straightforward. So when you practice more, obviously the syntax all will be very much easier for you guys. So I recommend to do practice multiple times, and then you will understand the syntax, all stuff. And as always, I was saying, like, refer the documentation. Go to Terraform website, and just go through the documentation. Okay, it is ready now. Let me browse it. It's on port 8080. It's successful, so we are good. So that's all for this video. I hope this is informative, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, and also as always, reach out to me on vstudentblog@gmail.com for any queries. Thank you. Bye bye.